Let's dive into the hidden dangers of the fire escapes we see every single day.
It's a critical question, right? Because we totally take their reliability for granted. See, this isn't a sudden collapse. It's a silent threat, a slow decay that's really dangerous.
And let's be super clear, this isn't just a staircase. It's literally a life safety device.
So what's doing the damage? Well, all of these things are working together year after year.
All right, first up is the most obvious enemy, rust. But what's it really doing?
It's literally eating the steel away. That makes the metal thinner and way weaker.
Okay, now for something you can't see, but is way more dangerous. The anchors.
Think of these anchors as the roots. If those roots fail, the entire system can just collapse.
And a big sign of failing anchors, you might actually see the fire escapes start to move.
So you see some rust. The first thought is often just to fix it up cosmetically, right?
But here's the problem. A cosmetic fix just covers things up. It ignores the real issues.
Yeah, it's like putting a bandage on a broken bone. You're just hiding the real damage.
And here's the thing, you can't fool a professional inspector. They know exactly what to look for.
So how do you actually fix it the right way? Let's take a look.
It's a step-by-step process that tackles all those root causes we just talked about.
First step, rip out the old rusty anchors and put in brand new strong connections.
Next up, any steel that's been weakened by rust gets reinforced so it's strong again.
See, it's not just about patching it up. The whole point is to pass that safety inspection. But sometimes the damage is just too much. In that case, the whole thing has to go.
And why does this matter so much? Because a bad repair means you'll just fail again.
So when should you be worried?
Well, if you see any of these things, it's time. Seriously, these are major red flags. You gotta get ahead of them before it's an emergency. At the end of the day, we have to remember what these are. They're life safety structures.
So, I'll leave you with this question. When was the last time you really looked?